Hi, welcome back. Today we're gonna know about role concept in SAP Security. Okay, this is very important concept. How the role, how many types of roles will be there? Okay, how this role works. Let's know about this. Okay, a transaction code for creating a role is PFCG. PFCG is nothing but a profile generator. PFCG profile generator. It is called as PFCG. Okay. So this is the screen of role maintenance screen. Okay. There will be three types of roles: totally single role, composite role, and derived role. Okay, single role is a combination of a transaction and authorization objects. Okay, in the composite role, group of single roles together is called as composite roles. Okay, and I'm going to create a single role. Okay, so the naming convention should be very clear and easily should be understandable to others. So for this I'm going to take it as single role as X, composite role as Y. Okay, single role as X, so go X, and I'm also going to mention as business process. Okay, what is my business process? Finance. Okay, and I'm going to mention the business sub process, account payable. Okay, sorry, payable. Okay, so I'm going to so next I'm going to do extra information. What is the extra information? Okay, here it already created. Okay, MRF. So I'm going to let's take other company. Okay, for example Nestle. Okay, click on single role. This is a screen appears. This is a direct role. Okay, if you create the direct role, you should mention here. So you should mention the text here, LinkedIn request, the chain request ID. Okay, when you have created. Okay, mention like today is 17th February 2017, and who has created this role? Okay, has created this role, SAP user. Okay, next go to menu. Just save this. This is the menu. In menu you will use mostly for like 99% you will be putting the transaction codes here. Okay, in the menu. So I'm giving here SU01. Okay, or PA30. So PA30 is not there in my system. Okay, so I'm going with SU01. In real time you should not give this. Okay, whatever your team leader says you should give that. Okay, this is for just an example I'm showing you. Okay, here the main important thing in the menu tab is okay, the folder. You can create a folder and put the transaction code in the folder, just like you do on your daily work, creating folders. Okay, authorizations. This is okay. If you go into authorization, this is the main thing in menu tab. Here execute. This is execute. Okay, if you select this and execute, okay, your user maintenance screen will be opened, and this is fine. Okay, in real time there will be a number of transaction codes. Okay, you can find it by just here. Okay, this is delete. Okay, if you by mistake if you enter any T code, you can just select that and delete from here. Okay, so this is about menu. Okay, this is no need. Okay, and come to authorization tab. Authorization tab is very important. See, profile name is empty. Okay, so you should create a profile here. So go to chain authorization data. Okay, here. Now come here. See, for the SU01 you will be having this many authorization objects. Okay, what are the authorization objects here? S underscore C underscore function, AS underscore U underscore AGR, user underscore auth, S underscore group, S underscore underscore pro, S underscore user underscore SAS, S underscore user underscore system. These are all the authorized objects which will be coming from SU24. Okay, see, this is the default authorization object S underscore T code. If you add any T code in the menu, okay, this is default SAP standard. Okay, it will have a field called TCD, which is SU01. Okay, see, now let's go to the tab SU24. Okay, SU24. This is the SU24 tab. Okay, so I'm mentioning the transaction code here. See, this is the screen of SU24. So proposal, select this and filter. Okay, so you should, what are all the authorization objects proposal is as S. Okay, that are all the authorization objects will be here. Okay, so let's see, P underscore T code is there or not. So see, P underscore T code is there. So what is that field value for this? So I'm going to say this is field value is SU01. See, SU01 field value is SU01, so it is SU01 here. Okay, from here it is coming. Okay, from here it is coming to PFCG authorization tab. Okay, the next go to another authorization object like address s underscore address 1, s underscore address 1. See, what is the field value here? Field value, click on field value here. See, activity is 01, 02, 03, 06. Okay, activity is 01, 02, 03, 06. Okay, address group is BC01. Address group is BC01. Okay, so this is the thing. Usually all the authorization objects which is proposal checked as S. So those other objects will be here. So this is, see, these are all the standards. You will also find this. Okay, function, C role, see S underscore C underscore function. Okay, S underscore user underscore auth. See here you can find S underscore user underscore AUT, S underscore user underscore group, S underscore user underscore group. So everything will be here which is checked as S. Everything will be here which is checked as S. Okay, this is very, very important. Okay, now I am going to save. See, profile name you can give your own, otherwise it will come by default. You can also use that, no problem. So I am going to generate now. Generate here. See, this is the button. Generate. This is save, but come back. So now it will turn as green. Previously it was red. Now it is turned as green. Okay. Now I am going to add another T code. See, in authorization objects, everything it is standard here. Okay, in authorization tab everything is standard here. So after adding this T code, after adding any additional T code, okay, in menu I am going to add another T code now. This will be changed now. This will be changed as old and new. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to menu. Okay, PFCG. I'm going to add this T code. See, after now it was red because I should create a profile now. We're going to change authorization data. Okay, see, old, new, old, new. Okay, see, you can, it is updated here. Why it is updated here? Because a new transaction code has been added in S underscore T underscore authorization object. A new transaction code added. That's why it is called. It came as updated. Okay, now don't forget this. This is very important. Naming convention is important here. Updated, new and old will be there. See, new means a new authorization object has come into picture here. Old means the old values has been maintained. Okay, so old values are already there like this. So see, this is the old. So for this, to avoid the confusion, I am going to SU24. Okay, PFCG. Okay, give PFCG here, execute. So proposal, set filter here. See, these are from here. See, these are all authorization objects. Okay, is there for PFCG. Okay, So go to PFCG, so to PFCG tab, authorization tab. Okay. Now see for P underscore T code. See, this is old here. So go for new. What is the new here? PFCG transaction code S underscore user underscore TCD. Okay. So I'm going to S underscore user underscore TCD. Okay. Clicking on field values. Okay. PFCG it is there. So PFCG, because a new authorization object has come into picture, so that it is showing as new. Okay. Now previously when I added SU01, this one is not there. S underscore T user underscore TCD. Okay. Now it has after adding PFCG, it has come into picture, so that is why it is showing as new. Okay. Did you understand? This is very important. Another name mention, see, remember this naming convention: updated, new and old. Okay, this will be very important. You should remember this. Okay, now updated. So I'm going to, why updated has come here, let's see. S underscore user underscore pro. Okay, where is let's see, where is that S underscore user underscore pro? Okay, it is here. So click on field values. Okay, 01, 03 and 06 is there. 01, 03, 06. Where this why 08 is there here? Okay, this is for SU01 transaction code. Okay, this is for SU01 transaction code. This three values 01, 03 are just for PFCG. Okay, so it is this value has been updated. This three values are updated. So this because S underscore user underscore pro, SU01 and PFCG shares the common authorization object, which is S underscore user underscore pro. Okay, so so it has come as updated. Okay. So old means it is already, this is for SU01. Okay, so I'm going to save now. Okay, generate, going to generate now, going back. So see, now it is green. See, profile is there now. Okay, already there. See, profile for role X, finance, paying finance account pay Nestle. Okay, this is the concept of role, single role. Okay, the set of single role. Okay, you try to create a single role. Okay, if you got any doubts, please comment below. So in the previous section we already discussed about user, how to create users. So see, after so if after creating the users, see, just assign the user here. Okay, and do user comparison. Why this user comparison will be doing? Because user comparison should be done because to update a user master data. Okay, user comparison will assign profile to the user. Okay, user comparison will assign the profile. Okay, profile to the user. If user comparison is not done, profile will not be assigned to the user, but only role will be assigned to the user, which is of no use. Okay, so user comparison should be done. Okay, I'm going to create any see, I have already created a user like test. See, here you can see yellow color triangle. Previously it was red, now it is yellow color triangle. So I have work to do here. So meaning of this, so see, it is red. Previously it was green, now it is red. So it is a warning for me to do this. So user comparison should be done here. So complete comparison, save now. Okay, that's it, complete. So it is green now. This user has this role now. So now this user can do access. Okay, this is the concept role. Okay, that's it guys, thank you.